see how this goes. I'm gonna video this from my cell phone. So Kyra and I decided to take the scooter. It's Kyra. Hi. We decided to take the scooter and come to the camper because I've been having a concern. We're getting ready to go on a trip, and I've been worried about the tires. The pressure seems a little bit lower, so I'm trying to figure out what we're going to do about getting the pressure built up. So we're adding air to these tires because they take so much pressure. You can't go to a regular gas station and get these things filled up to the. I had the same problems with my truck. So what I did is I bought this dual powered compressor, 12 volt or 110 cobalt compressor, and that thing so far has worked out great. Let me show it to you. So here's this little compressor. Sun's super bright. Hope you can see it. I am doing this with my phone. This phone does a better job than I do on my other one anyway. Anyhow, this little compressor, right here it says, get my phone shadow out of the way. Ooh, getting smart. 12 volt, 120 volt inflator. I'll leave a description in the description, or I'll leave a link in the description box below. But the dual power just clips on. This little guy, I'm gonna tear stuff up trying to show you. This little guy just clips onto the tire, log it down. Your 120 volt. It's got a little trap door for your 12 volt. Everything has a little compartment. There it is. Right there. So there's your 12 volt. Also has a little compartment up here for sport balls, inflatables, rafts. I don't know what that's for. It might be for a different type of raft or a beach ball or something. Anyhow, I'll get this plugged up and show you how it works. I'm using the extension, so I'm using the 120 power, but I did plug it into my truck at home, and my truck tires go up to 80 pounds. And they were around 75, and I plugged it up and it took them right up to 80. You plug this thing, you set it to what you want the pressure to be, and then you hit the run button and it takes off. I'll show you here in just 1 second. All right, this thing has the tires are 65. I've been adding just 60. I didn't want to push its limit, but we will make sure you're on there. I'll just plug this up to the valve stem, just like that. And if you can see that, it says it's got 44 pounds in it. Let me hit it right here. That bottom number, if you watch it, I'm gonna run it up to 60. Right there, hit. So real quick, I wanted to go over, I didn't finish my video because Kyron and I got on the kayaks, and I just wanted to touch base on this. It took about 2.5 minutes to go from 45 pounds to 60 pounds, which was pretty awesome for me because I was really worried about the getting those tires pumped up, and I've done a lot of research. I've looked at putting on onboard air on my truck because of the concern of keeping the tires pressures up, but I think this thing is going to do fine. The truck goes to 80 pounds. It took it up to 80 pounds, and then when you set it, it just shuts off when it gets to the right temperature, or right pressure. Anyhow, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.